Looking for a Bybit referral code that gives you higher rewards than a normal sign-up? Here's how it works. If you sign up on Bybit normally, the standard sign-up rewards go up to 5,100 USDT. But when you use my Bybit referral link in the description, you unlock referee-exclusive rewards, increasing your total bonus up to 6,135 USDT. To activate the rewards, simply create your account and complete the verification process. It's easy, quick, and usually takes just a few minutes. After verification, head to the Bybit Rewards Hub and complete the listed tasks to start unlocking bonuses. Bybit is used by millions of traders worldwide and is known for its strong security, smooth trading experience, and beginner-friendly interface. Rewards may vary by region and activity, and terms apply, so always check the official Bybit page for the latest details. If you want the latest Bybit referral bonus, tap the link below, sign up, and get started.